So today or tonight, it's tonight outside, we are going to make a drink called Arkham. Again, I got the DC hat, got the Joker shirt. May as well finish it off properly. So we're going to do a Scotch-based drink. We're using a Caribbean smooth rum cask. It's coffee, Guinness, and some cream. So first things first, we'll do a shot. I'm gonna mix it up in here so it's all pre-mixed before I strain over the ice. We're gonna do about a shot of Scotch. I already pre-brewed some coffee. So a couple ounces of coffee. We'll stop right about there. Then I'm going to open up a bottle of Guinness. The Guinness smells really rich. Drop a couple ounces there. I chose to use French vanilla because I think it tastes better. Right about there. Now I'm not going to shake it. I'm just going to stir it up and mix it. That looks good. Here we got our ice. Hey, ice came out. Look at that. Slopping all over the place. Beautiful. And now we're going to finish our drink. Here is our Arkham based drink. So basically I made this drink. You saw it. It was really, really cool. It's probably going to be really, really tasty. Called it Arkham. Fix face.
I'm listening.
But the cool thing about Arkham is that it's full of insanity. And so when you have to work from home, it's always full of insanity. Especially when you got this one and that one out there. Dad, can you help me? So we're going to call it Working from Home. What is it called? Nice save?
No, that's what I was telling you. Nice attempt at a save.
Of course, I like Arkham. This one, I like Joker though.
Okay, well then make a green and purple drink and call it Joker.
That one's next. So now I finally have time to myself. This working from home or Arkham or working from home, so we're calling it, right? Well, yeah. It's really, really good. So are Tally's paintings. Don't tell her I told you, because